Okay, mount up, mount up, mount up, mount up, mount up, mount up.
Full
Okay,
check.
mount up. Check ka, full check pa rin.
Tension naman.
Mali ako.
Block to go party lead.
You cannot mount up in Crystal Bells? Hello?
May skills yung mount nyo, ibig
Okay,
sabihin.
brawl tayo. Again, guys, when we say brawl, ilang beses na, pick a target, don't brawl all one target, guys, kasi makakalamp kayo, okay? Come sa northwest. Pick a target.
May mga naka-discount sa Asian.
Out of them, spread
Ano,
out the
Asian?
May mga naka-discount.
May galatin sila, pre.
Okay, get
Pangalan
back,
nung
get
guy.
back.
Ano pa
Northwest, and northwest. Dismount on the ground. Wag nyo muna i-dismount yan. Okay guys, walk in.
Nasaan si Ice?
Ikaw,
Kaya tapos na to.
okay, we're gonna engage guys. North side, okay? We're gonna engage north side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here, naka. Defensive northwest. Mag-engage sila. Go northwest. Hold them down. Nag-engage pa sila? Wala nag-engage?
No. They're inching up, pare.
Northeast, wala tayong engage, wala tayong defensive. Nag-night counts sir. Depth tanks, hold them. Let's wait for cooldowns. Tell me when your night counts are ready. Wala tayong defensive. Tell me when your night counts are ready. Keep.
12 seconds, Asian.
Go up the choke. We're gonna brawl them pag may defensive sa tayo, guys. Okay, ito nag-engage na. Defensive. Pass up. Walk in, guys. Come, walk in. We're ready on the count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the count. Walang DPS. Walk through. Walang DPS. Walk through. Tumawid kayo. Huwag kayo mapahold dyan sa likod. Tumawid kayo. Pops your Helions. Defensive. Helions. Okay, keep walking through. Huwag ka dyan. Wala na akong pansa. DPS, tell me if you have DPS.
Up, DPS up.
Defensive. Ay na. RR.
Ako pa yun ka. Hindi ka nag-show.
Okay, yung that time guys, ewan ko saan na-hold ba kayo, na-silence ba kayo? Ano nangyari dito? Ano na problem DPS?
Tawag nito, Asian, brawl ka, ano ka, diba? Clap brawl ka.
Oo.
Go, try mong
Kasi nag-engage ako, wala kayong defensive. Wala kayong night counts.
Ang gawin mo, Asian, kahit sila unang pag-engage mo, tapos counter ka para makapag-brawl ka inside. Since clap brawl na lang. Yung ginagawa ko kahapon.
DPS, like, paano hindi na ako nag-club ko doon? Tell me. Come north yun.
Asian, hindi ka nag-ano ng direction na nagsabi mong fast to.
Kaya nga walang ano eh.
Walang location.
Kaya nga,
Racing up behind you, Asian.
pre, may crown, pre. Hello?
Naging shield ako, nawala yung crown sa akin, Okay, come na. Andito yung crown nyo, guys. Ano yung nasa likod? Ang layo nyo.
Hindi kami yung pag-mount.
May mga naka-dismount sa'yo, pare.
Asian, pa-inch up mo ng mga member mo.
Patabit na.
They're still behind you.
Ang layo pa pre ng iba mo.
Nandun sa likod. Pre. Hold on tayo dito. Come up the choke.
Mounted up na din.
Sayang, wala akong skill na.
Astrals, yung Astrals saka yung mga Infinity Blade ko, walk in na. I-roll nyo sila inside. Okay, actually, we're gonna brawl them inside, okay? Okay, brawl nyo lang. Let's wait for them to walk in. Okay guys, southeast, walk in, southeast. Walk in southeast, brawl them, ready defensive pa. Walk in. Okay, northeast, on the crown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on the crown. Defensive, counter sila. Nice one, guys. Defensive. Nakaside talaga. Sakit ng defense sila, please.
Asian, kung ako sa'yo, pag-engage mo muna sila.
Malaman ko lang.
After nilang mag-engage dun ka mag-counter.
Sakit ng DPS nila.
Masakit kapag ikaw nag-walk-in sa kanila, Asian.
Basic go pati sila Asian, so kumbaga sinasalo lang natin yun sa mga.
Brawl comp ba sila? Or ano?
Clap, parang clap.
Team lang din natin.
Clap.
Clap.
Burst clap yan, burst clap. Burst clap.
Oh, nakakalap sila longbow perma pare.
Tapos may
Speed
shield
bolt.
boost sila for
Bahala.
damage.
Regroup
Hindi
muna
natin
dito.
kaya i-absorb yan, Asian.
Ha? Eh, dito lang tayo sa gitna, guys. Punta gitna. Sa gitna. Dailies kami.
Stay open well ka Asian, huwag ka magpupush ng choke. Nasa kanila advantage ng choke.
May siege bow sila, Asian. Wag. Ang sakit niyan.
Let them walk in, guys. Spread out, spread out. Yung mga... Yung may mga east, sa likod kayo, ah. Yung kailangan ng...
Ranging up to the northeast, northeast.
Flame breaker sa likod kayo. Thank you, CW. Guys, start rolling them inside if nakakita tayo ng tempo. Start rolling them inside. Let's wait for their... Let's react on their engage na lang.
Life first, don't drop your life first early. Thank you.
Roll them, roll them, roll them, roll them. If you're low, go look
Malang
for the
yung
healers. If you're low, go look for the healers. Wala talaga, nag-basin sila.
Pinapasok tayo. Hindi tayo pwede na.
Oy guys, bago kayo, ba't nakaklampak kayo dyan? Walk-in kayo, i-brawl nyo sila, huwag kayo maglampak dyan, huwag kayo maglampak.
Oh, healer.
Okay, na.
Makinatang nyo.
Defensive. Oo. Tangina talaga, oh. Di talaga natin na-absorb. Ready, engage siya inside. On the count. 3, 2, 1. Full engage here. On the count. Ayun na.
Lakan DPS, Asian.
Ayun na.
Healers.
Sino may night helmet dyan?
Hinahayaan niyo lang yung mga tao sa loob natin eh.
Kita nyo yung air compress na animation.
Oh,
Pag
pwede nyo
nakita nyo
gamitin
yun, night
guys.
helmet na kayo. Kaya mag-ingapat nyo para di kayo late.
Wag nga saluhin. Hindi natin kaya saluhin. Masakit talaga.
Ang dito kanina, ang dami dito nakaklamp dito kanina. Huwag kayo ganun, pre. Mag-brawl in kayo. Walk in kayo sa kanila, mag-separate kayo. Eh, walk up the choke. Kompleto na ba?
Kaya. Pasok.
Hindi kasi ako sanay dito sa brawl comp eh. Tangina. Okay.
Pwede mo naman i-cook siya ni may lotus naman eh.
Kaya nga.
Walk in. Huwag kayo mag-pop sa likod. Brawl kayo. Huwag kayo magkalat. Nandito yung DPS sila sa likod, oh. I-brawl nyo.
So, healer.
Healers sa defense. Heal mo yung mga long healers. Roll lang, bro. Keep rolling. Wala. Eto, nag-engage na. Defensive. Ready, on the count na. 5, 4, 3, 1, on the count. Yan na.
Good wipe.
Roll them, boys. Roll them. Drop do this. Roll them. Ready, counter. Spread out. They're gonna look for a counter engage. Yan na, counter na. Nice, brutal. Walk to them. Di pa sila nag-R, no? Wala pa nag-R.
Wala pa.
Another engage on the tank. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On the count. Okay, roll them, boys. Roll them.
Di pa sila natatawag, ah.
Wala pa nag-R. Roll them.
Bumabalik sila.
Sila?
Back na kayo.
Bak na, nalilito ako eh. Kung mag-i-engage ko ba tayo, hindi.
Engage pa sila Asian eh.
They're looking.
They're looking guys. Spread out. Walk in. Okay. On the ground dito sa chok. Northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Dito. On the ground. Nice one, boys. Okay, spread out agad. Spread out agad. Defend. Spread out agad.
Narotbound ko.
Okay. Keep rolling. Walk in, guys. Walk in. Wala sila engage. Wala sila engage. Okay, on the choke. Okay, 5 seconds. On the choke. Okay, 5, 4.
Nag-R na.
Sayang. Nakapump sila doon.
Bakoy.
Get your mana sa play. Sakit talaga ng golak ni Golty. Matak mo na. Up muna natin yung mga mana.
Mans, don't hit.
Yung mga mana nyo, papasin muna natin.
Sabihin nyo, don't come back, don't respawn.
DPS!
Iba sa
Pag
kanila,
naka-spread out
bumabalik.
kayo, walk in sa likod nila, yung mga RDPS nila yung target nyo. Pili lang kayo ng one target.
Yan ang nga rin. Ano kasi pag naklamp kayo, try nyo nga din gumalaw, huwag kayong tumayo lang kasi narurootbound naman minsan yung clamp or nalulocus or na galaw lang kayo.
Guys, walk in agad guys, mga DPS, mga Infernals, huwag kayo matakot hindi. Go back line. Gina na, Gina. Walk in. Huwag lang kayo mag-clamp up. Yung mga Infernal lang yun lang, yung mga good rolling. Careful. Yung mga low, check with the low. Huwag niyo pa-low yung masyado. Healers, make sure walang mamamatay sa brawl. Keep rolling. We're gonna react on their engage, ha. Wala kasi akong fit, eh. Keep rolling. Nice one yung nasa likod, ha. Okay, we're gonna engage sa northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, northeast. Gago na, cancel. Defensive. Nice defense. Walk in. Gago, masakit. Hey, dropping.
Kaya pa.
Kaya pa. Sige yung clock back.
Walk in. Okay, 5, 4 on the counter. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on the counter.
Lock to down. Wala kami cooldown.
Right. Then.
Walk in. Ikaw na under ka. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 under ka. Gago na, nighttime sila. Okay, northeast. Defensive. Okay, Arna. Mas kumukonekta talaga yung DPS nila. Benti, can I try the comp that I'm used to next round?
Wala, nag-ahabol pa rin to. Alam mo gawin mo, Asian?
Dito lang ako sanay dito sa brawl kite ay clamp kite talaga yung sanay ako, Benti.
Magpa-call. Sige, stick ka na dyan, ako na. Ayun ako. Everyone come to the crown. Stick with the crown, ha. We're calling, ha, pero I'm playing with the crown.
Puta na yung toxic replay.
Sige, everyone come northwest. Down the small stairs, everyone. Call G, then come back down the stairs. Be dismounted, come down the stairs.
Makasa yung crown, please.
Yung locus, wala tayo nakikita ang locus sa engages nila. Hindi natin nakikita eh. Everyone, sige. Spread. Their corner is coming in, ha. Mono JD yung mga engage nila. Hold this choke, everyone. You're gonna engage down the choke, ha. Kita ng choke, ha. Inside the pass, ha. Wait lang. Wala. Everyone, ha. And pass them down the stairs, ha. Down the stairs. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down the stairs inside the pass. Asian, pabay ka sa akin. Wala akong clamp.
Wala cooldown, ginamit ko na yung earth
Kaya
ko.
nga eh. Wala, ewan ko ba't di mo ginamit ko eh. Sabay ka lang sa akin, everyone, ha. Everyone come up the stairs, ha. We're gonna engage up the stairs, everyone, up the stairs, ha. Cooldowns, what's your cooldowns? Up the stairs, everyone. We're gonna engage down the stairs, ha. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Down the stairs, everyone, down the stairs, hello? Down the stairs.
Defensive
Thank you. Call GG na. Sabay ka sa akin, Asian. Yo, wala akong plan. Huwag ka mag-solo engage, Asian.
Kapasa ng crown kay Bente. Ay, tama, si Asian pala yung clamper.
Si Asian.
Oo.
Si Bente naman ko.
Galito ako nung uno, nung nakita ko nung lumabas si Asian ng Earth Rune. Binato ko kagad Dark.
Pacheck ng
For early purge tayo kasi naka-night helmet sila eh.
Si Daddy kaya, si JB natin. Si JB.
Don't hit.
Si JB nga ni. Si JB nga ni. Ginalaga niya.
Ano ba yung locus ko? Pa-cleanse na nga lang ako sa kanya or pag nakita nyo nang nag-aircom si mag-locus na kayo dun sa gitna. Yun lang babantayan nyo guys, si Mono JD lang babantayan nyo. Wala na kayo ibang babantayan. Yan lang engage na lang.
Baka shield yung mono.
Papark nga color nila. Yung color nila.
Kamark na, kanina pa.
Sumakita eh.
Pag nakita nyo nag-aircom sila, full defensive everyone. Hindi ko alam anong ginagawa nyo. Bakit na-absorb natin yung damage nila.
Hindi na.
Earth rune, ay Earth, yung ano ko, everyone, come northwest. Yung ano ko, yung Heart Knight. Yung ano ko, ano yung Earth, ano ko, yung si Groot.
Si ano, silang.
Earthbound.
Earth, yung aircom nila, bantayan yung aircom nila. Their aircom, their Earth rune na, everyone walk southeast, sa choke tayo, sa choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sa choke lang, sino na choke? Come northeast after. Come northeast after. Don't hold the choke, come northeast. Don't roll them up, come northeast, defensive down. Space, northeast, come northeast. Sige lang, come northeast. Get our cooldowns up. Ano cooldowns natin? Defense up, sige everyone ha. Get ready down the stairs. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down the stairs station. Sino na station? Come northeast sa left, natin southeast, then southeast after you engage, southeast, patch. Come southeast, anong cooldowns natin? Cooldowns, southeast, water.
3 seconds.
Get ready, northwest, sige. Come northwest, heels up lang, come southeast lang. Spread.
Walang tagilya.
Kevin, come northwest, engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, sa choke, Asian. Grab everything, nice one everyone. Come southeast. Spread.
Kaya yan!
Come southeast spread. Huwag niyo saluhin yung damage nila. Southeast. Bigyan na sila.
Uy guys, kapag hindi nyo pa naririnig magsabi sa caller ng lang.
Laban kami.
Huwag yung
Mantap.
Sino may access sa ano? Padrag nga si Blue dito sa taas.
Ako lang may access story.
Benti, yung problema kaya hindi ko ma-rootbound agad yung tawag dito, yung compress nila kasi nagra-random engages sila, yung perma nag-engage kanina, hindi nag-compress eh. Kanina nag-feeling yung mga internal side kaya hindi ko
Come northeast, come west, down the small stairs. Dismount and you find the crown ha. Sige, down, dismount and you find Asian. We're looking southeast, small stairs ha. Small stairs. If I'm not calling for an engage, don't clump up guys. Nagkakam kayo agad eh. Naglo-look out agad kayo, wala pa tayo. We're looking pa lang eh.
Game na to. Roll nyo na yan. Using
Kasi na busing pride.
I-punish yung nung papasok, pre.
Everyone look north yung dalawang DPS nila. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang sa atin. Si Aaron.
Ay, gago, sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. Spread. Hold the choke, everyone. Hold the choke. We still have 15 seconds. Sige. Spread. Let's engage. Come northwest. Cross northwest. Come northwest. Defensive tanks, give space ha. Come northwest. Northwest. Sige. Ano cooldowns natin? Come northeast after. Get ready. Down the stairs southwest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, down the stairs. Asian. Wala. Come northeast. Sige, bro. Using doubles inside. Come northeast. Northeast lang. Keep fighting. Defensive tanks hold. Southeast. Using doubles din kayo. Sakta DLS. Southeast. Ngayon, sila bumalik. Southeast, everyone. Help shield. Help separate. Get ready. West side. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. West side, everyone. West side on the stairs. Stairs. Come southeast after you engage. Southeast after you engage. Southeast. Have the front. No one dies. Sige. Have the front. Come southeast. Up the stairs. Ano cooldowns natin? Cooldowns. Ha?
5 seconds.
5 seconds. Get ready. Down the stairs. Down the stairs, everyone. Down the stairs. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stairs. Kill everyone on the stairs. Southeast. Come southeast na agad. After you engage. Don't wait. After you drop the E, engage. Southeast. Spread. Come southeast. Keep fighting. Defensive tanks, give us space. Keep fighting. Defensive tanks, give us space. Southeast. Down the stairs, everyone. Down the stairs. Ano cooldowns natin? Cooldowns. We're good. Everyone, up the stairs, everyone. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up the stairs. Kay Asian na.
GG.
Southeast na. Don't walk up too far. You don't need to go deep. Everyone, up the stairs lang. Up the stairs lang. Southeast, help everyone. Let everyone come southeast, come southeast, come southeast. Pisin doubles inside, pisin doubles inside. Asian, we're gonna engage inside the pasta. Come down the stairs, come down the stairs. Defense, okay everyone. We're ready to counter up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs, up the stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 sa stairs.
Okay.